We're a nation that loves hot dogs, and each part of the country has their own unique way of making them. So let me share with you what you'll find if you visit cities that think their dogs are top dogs. For example, in Chicago, they grill their hot dogs before topping them with mustard, relish, onions, pickle slices, sport peppers, tomato, and celery salt, and serving them on a poppy seed bun. And in New York City, which has a hot dog cart on almost every corner, you'll find hot dogs topped with spicy mustard and covered in onion sauce. For those of you who grab a hot dog at an Atlanta Braves game, you can expect to find a steamed dog smothered with mounds of coleslaw. And besides all these regional favorites, we came up with a hot dog topper that's always welcome. It's a hearty meat sauce made by sauteing ground beef and onions along with a boatload of seasonings. And when you serve it on your dog, get ready for some all-American eating. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our old-time hot dog sauce, along with our city guide to hot dogs. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty topping way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.